In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bet on the NBA champions on Polymarket. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. But before starting, I want to let you know that Polymarket is currently running a special offer. So if you sign up using the referral link I will leave in the description below, you will get a bonus on your first deposit if it's of at least $20. So I recommend you to deposit $21 or more, and this way you will get the bonus of free cash directly on your wallet. Firstly, if you don't have cash, you will need to deposit by clicking here and then deposit through crypto or cash. So you have a lot of different payment methods available. Then just search for NBA right here and you will find a lot of different type of bets. So if you want to bet on the NBA champion, just click here. Now choose the team you think that will win the NBA. So for example, let's say we think Oklahoma is going to win. We can buy yes. Then select how much you want to spend on those shares and buy yes. Now once you do that, you can go to your portfolio and you will see your open orders and you should find the bet right here, and then you can just cash out or withdraw that bet whenever you want, or just wait for the NBA to finish. So if you win, it will automatically be claimed. If you win, you will need to withdraw the money, or you can also keep betting on Polymarket, but if you want to withdraw it, just click here and select the token or the coin where you want to get the money. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.